This is Sam. We're about ready to go ahead and see what that feels like, Sam. As you can see, we got some bees up in here.
That's a lot of bees right there, bro. Wow.
Okay, open up the box.
Hold that a little bit.
Fine. Oh, yeah, hold it right underneath there, Ben. Right underneath there. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Swipe them in there.
What's this? Give me the brush.
Right there. Just swipe them in there.
This is Ron and Sam. We come across this bee swarm right here, and as you can see, we shook them into the box.
We got stung quite a bit of times. I could feel it on my face, my neck.
This is Sam's first time
doing this with the bees.
As you can see, the bees are pretty calm, and they're trying to get in the beehive right now. So hopefully they all go in there. Hopefully we got the queen bee in there. We cut the limb and eased it down. And that is one big swarm in there, man. I tell you, it's unreal.
Yeah, it's unreal. I've never seen something like this before. Like, we're right in front of the bee's nest, and they're not really even messing with us now, even though we got stung earlier, getting them from the limb. They're just worried about looking for the queen, I believe. And that's what their main goal is, to find that queen. If she's in there, maybe the bees will stay. I'm evacuating because it feels like they're about to sting me. I'm out.
Yep, it appears the bees are taking their abode in the beehive. We got them to go in there. Looks like we got the queen. We got a frame of brood in there, so they're not going anywhere. I mean, they're covered up, the frames I put up in there.